Hi, I've come here to New Roots Hair Clinic for transplant, and I've been set for 3,000 graft for transplantation. And as per the surgery, it has been more than that. The staff was very good while doing the surgery. I will recommend all of you to come here, whoever in need, and do the transplantation from New Roots Hair Clinic.